There, now it's recording.
Okay. Alright. Hey, Moms. How you doing?
I'm good.
Hello, Gizmo. How you doing? Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Come right here. Austin? Wow! Check that out. Yo, yeah, you gotta give us a wave.
Oh, he might give us a scream.
A little shy. No photographs, please.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go. We're gonna spit. Good. Got our monkey blanket. That's a good spit, buddy.
Good.
How you feeling? You okay? You gotta spit some more? Alright. There's a Snugga Bunny. He's been getting a lot of use out of that. And here's the Bulldog. Hello, Hankins. He's saying, freedom! How you doing, Doofus? Down. Hank, down. Hank, down. Down. Hank, down. Okay, we're not going to do it. We're on camera. We're not going to behave.
Oh,
Gizmo. Your pet Quat was coming to visit you. And it's like,
oh, little tear.
I'm a little careless. What's up, number one son? Okay, how do I stop it?